In the depths of my soul, of which I whisper so glad that I cannot deny my own being. Standing within non-conformity, unstained from the noise outside the streets. Never ever letting go, hiding it towards the light to illuminate on every side. Never ever letting go. Listen for the sound of the genuine. Of the genuine. I want to make some noise, everybody.
We know that you can do better.